The dashboard's lit by the moonlight's beam. In this town of ours, living out a dream.
Taillights flicker, she's got style in her years. She's got stories inked in rusting gears. A beater's charm, this car's got plenty.
Down these old roads were never empty.
Give me them old power tunes. I drove my beat-up Chevy through Macon, rattling loud, gotta keep it alive. With duct-tape windows, she's no beauty, but on these streets, man, she's still a vibe. It's the hooptie clunker.
Twistin the key, hear that engine's prayer. She's coughing smoke, but we're heading somewhere. Between the potholes and the dusty trails, she's a rolling stone with a tale to tell. In this small town ride,
Just my luck and me.
old cars like a friend with a rockin' beat. The radio plays a track from Johnny Cash. Windows down through Main Street we dash.
Seats patched up with a checkered old rag. Bumper stickers boasting, don't let the flag drag.
My trusty steed ain't no shiny mare, but she rides like freedom, a wind in my hair.
My oil stains mark the memories we've made. Mud splash fenders from the strong storms brave. Seen better days, but she's my kind of sin. Turn the ignition, let that adventure begin. Yeah, she growls, she rumbles, she's my hot rod queen. In a sleepy town, she's the old time scene.